Hi there! This is my third video on how to teach English through music. And today I'm going to give you tips on how to teach vocabulary through music, especially to young learners, kids, and preteens. Welcome to my teaching world. Today we're going to teach our students the musical notes. Well, in Portuguese, they sound very similar to English, so it's not difficult for us to memorize. How does it sound in your language? Well, the musical notes in English are do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, and then do again. Let's take advantage on the fact that most kids love music. The song we're gonna teach them is from the movie The Sound of Music. It goes like this. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun. Mi, a name I call myself. Fa, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, a drink with jam and bread that will bring us back to do. Oh, 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 oh. I don't know why, but the part of the song that they have fun the most is at the end when we say oh, 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 oh. What I think is really fun in the music, in the song, is that in order to help them memorize the musical notes, each musical note is related to another word in English that has the same sound. So, for example, do also means a female deer. The musical note do rhymes with the word doe, that means a female deer. Okay, so you should have flashcards to have them relate the pictures with the sounds of the musical notes. Ray, right? You can have a sun, show students the sun rays. The musical note ray rhymes with the word ray, as in sun ray, and the part of the song is ray, a drop of golden sun. The song says ray, a drop of golden sun. You can work with colors. You're talking about golden. What other colors do you know? Take advantage of this part of the song to work on colors. Drop, you can have raindrops. Show them what a drop is and show them what it sounds like. You can have them eat a chocolate drop. They're gonna love it. If you take chocolate drops to class, they will never forget this class, I promise you. Me, a name I call myself. The musical note me rhymes with the word me, that means myself. Gee, if they can't write, you can have them work with pictures to talk about themselves. If they can write, have them write about themselves. You can have a book like called All About Me, My Family and Me, All About Myself, This Is Me. This is a great opportunity to have them speak and write if they can. Fa, well, we're talking about distance. The musical note fa rhymes with the word far, as in how far can you go? You can work with math, numbers, distance, right? You can have them run. How far can they run? How fast can they run? So many things you can do. So, okay, so. The musical note so rhymes with the word sew. You can ask them, what do you need to sew? You need fabric, you need a needle, you need thread. If there's a book about sewing, you can read this book. You can have them sew in class, make dresses for the dolls. You can work with clothes vocabulary, right? We sew clothes. And what kind of clothes are you wearing? What do you like to wear in the summer, for the winter? La, well, I can't think of a word that sounds like la, but when we talk about la, I think of la 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 la. Well, you can have a singing day with them, a talent show, just sing music, songs, whatever they like to learn English. You can also work on this lesson what comes after, before, what's in the middle, to work order. First, second, third. Tea. Would you like some tea? The musical note tea rhymes with the word tea, like as in tea. You drink tea. It's a drink. And this part of the song proposes having tea with jam and bread. You can bring jam and bread to class. I think they're gonna have a lot of fun eating jam and bread. And you can have iced tea, hot tea. You can have a tea day. You can make tea. You can have a picnic. You can work with food vocabulary. I like, I don't like. Bringing this music to class, teach them the musical notes. You can work with rhymes. Do, the note, rhymes with doe, the female deer, and also with dough. When you make bread, you have the mixture of flour, eggs, and all other ingredients that when you mix them up, just makes a dough. Dough rhymes with no, with go, with though. I mean, there are so many things you can do with this song, and most of all, have a lot of fun. And do not forget, you should learn this song. Have fun.
A deer, a female deer, ray, a drop into the sun. Me, a name, I call myself, far along the way to run. So, a little pony play, la, a little parasol, tea, I drink the jam of blood, la, la, do, oh, oh, oh.
Let's start at the very beginning, a very good place to start. When you read, you begin with
A, B, C.
When you sing, you begin with do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi. The first three notes just happen to be do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Oh, let's see if I can make it easier. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Fa, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to do, oh, oh, oh.
Do.
A deer, a female deer.
Ray.
A drop of golden sun.
Me.
A name I call myself.
Fa.
A long, long way to run.
So, a needle pulling thread. La.
A note to follow. So, tea,
A drink with jam and bread.
that will bring us back to do.
A deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Fa, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread.
That will bring us back to do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, so do. Let's start at the very beginning, a very good place to start. When you read, you begin with
A, B, C.
When you sing, you begin with do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi. The first three notes just happen to be do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Oh, let's see if I can make it easier. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Fa, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to do, oh, oh, oh.
Do.
A deer, a female deer.
Ray.
a drop of golden sun.
Me!
A name I call myself.
Ba!
A long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea,
A drink of jam and bread.
that will bring us back to dough.
A deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Come, a long, long way to run.
So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink of jam and bread. That will bring us back to dough. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, so, do. Now, children, do, re, mi, fa, so, and so on are only the tools we use to build a song. Once you have these notes in your heads, you can sing a million different tunes by mixing them up, like this. So, do, la, fa, mi, do, re. Can you do that?
So, do, la, fa, mi, do, re.
So, do, la, ti, do, re, do.
So, do, la, ti, do, re, do.
Now put it all together. So, do, la, fa, mi, do, re. So, do, la, ti, do, re, do. Good.
But it doesn't mean anything.
So we put in words, one word for every note, like this. When you know the notes to sing, you can sing